Today, we bring you an unboxing evaluation of Yong's best AS series C02 laser tube. The AS series is not only the best quality laser tube among Yong's many series, but also the top in the entire CO2 laser industry. Let's follow this video to learn more about it. When we receive the laser tube, we have to check the outer packaging first. Yong's AS laser tube is packaged in blue-white customized second corrugated cardboard box with a clear product model and warning signs printed on the surface. The inside is filled tightly after opening. The laser tube is firmly fixed. Next, let's take a look at the details of the AS laser tube. The diameter of the outer tube is 80 mm, will be more suitable for conventional CO2 laser machines. The design of the titanium alloy mantle head not only ensures the beauty of the appearance, but also meets the heat dissipation effect of the cavity optical components. The mantle spool very mastered makes it more convenient for users to install. Conventional 180 inline and outline design. It should also be emphasized that the high voltage cap equipped with the high voltage end of the anode reduces the risk of discharge breakdown at the high voltage end of the laser tube. As you can see the label on the CO2 laser tube, the product model is A2S. The rated power is 90 watt and the peak power is 100 watt. The wavelength of this product is 10,600 nanometers. Fix the support position on the laser tube with a tube bracket. The laser tube is connected to the water cooler with low input and high output. Turn on the water cooler first and pass the laser tube with water to ensure that the water flow in the water casing is appropriate and avoid bubbles. Connect the laser power supply and the laser tube. High voltage end sleeve, high voltage cap. Turn on the laser power supply to power the laser tube. Now you can do the light test. So far, we have completed the unpacking and installation of the Yong's AS series CO2 laser tube. We can do the cutting product like this and engraving product like this. If you like this video, please like, bookmark, and subscribe to our channel. For more information about laser equipment, please visit our official website. Thank you for watching. See you next time.